Hello, Blacksburg. This is Charles Legacy with Remax 8, and today we're going to go over some of the top reasons why you should hire a real estate agent. And the main reason I think is the education and experience with real estate property. You don't need to know everything about buying and selling real estate, but if you hire a real estate professional who does, then the process goes a lot smoother. Henry Ford once said that when you hire people who are smarter than you, it proves you are smarter than they are. And the trick to find the right person, for the most part, they all cost roughly the same. Why not hire a person with more education experience than you? We're all looking for more precious time in our lives, and hiring pros gives us that time. We are buffers. We sort out the bad from the good clients, people that are actually qualified to come in there and purchase your property versus the lookers or people that aren't qualified. We have the neighborhood knowledge. You want someone that can show all the benefits of that neighborhood and tell that potential client about what goes on. Of course, the price guidance. Some of you might try to sell it on your own, but you might be shorting yourself and not getting the full price for your property because you don't know the exact value or how you can increase that value, which there are several tips we can help you increase that up there with a couple fixes. There's market conditions information that we can explain to people how many days certain properties have been on the market, the cost per square footage in the area, professional networking. We have many people in our area that we work with and who have worked with us that can help you make a better, wiser decision when selling or fixing your property. Negotiation skills and confidentiality, we have that. We'll get that thing sold. Handling volumes of paperwork. Of course, any property sale, there's lots and lots of paperwork. Most of the time, the lawyer will handle all that at closing, but there is a significant amount of paperwork and wording that goes into the purchase agreement. Answer questions after closing, and we can develop relationships for future business, for future properties you might be interested in buying or selling. Again, my name is Charles Legacy, and I'm with Remax 8, and here to help you any way I can. Have a great day.